Welcome in the environmental engineering lab. Our experiment to measure the pH value of given sample of water. What is pH value? It is the potential of hydrogen of water. Now the apparatus used in this experiment, the first one is digital pH meter, second one is butter tablets, third one is distilled water, and the last one is measuring flask. Now what is pH scale? How we measure the pH value of water? With the help of pH scale, we are going to find out in the laboratory pH value of water. When the value comes less than 7 of given sample, it means the pH value of given sample is acidic. When the values lie between 6 to 8, the value of given sample, the pH value of given sample is neutral. Then the value comes from 9 to 14, the pH value of given sample lies at basic. So pH scale differentiate the given sample as acidic, neutral and basic. Now let us start the procedure how to find the pH value of water sample. First of all, stir the water sample vigorously using a clean glass stirring rod. Second step is pour a 40 ml plus 5 ml sample into glass beaker using the watch glass for a cover. Third one is let the sample stand for a minimum of 1 hour. It is for that to allow the temperature stabilize and also stirring it while waiting. Now measure the temperature sample and with the help of temperature controller of the pH meter to control the sample of temper. This adjustment should be done on prior for testing. Now the next step is standardize the pH meter by means of the standard solution. Standardize the pH meter by means of the standard solution provided. Next step is immerse the electrode of the pH meter into the water sample and turn beaker slightly to obtain good contact between the water. Next step is the electrode required for the immersion at 30 seconds or maybe longer. Now take the reading when the meter is to stabilize. If the system is not stabilized, wait for to stabilize the meter reading. Now read the reading and record the pH value of the nearest. Repeat it at least 5 times. Rinse the electrode with the distilled water. Now then with the help of tissues remove the film formed on the electrode. Please do wear a caution, do not wipe the electrode as this result may be polarization of the electrode. So here we come in the lab. This is the conical flask. We are taking the sample of simple water. So as we are taking the simple water, we have also some other sample of so that we check the pH value. This is the pH meter. This is the electrode attached. This electrode attached will give us the value of pH meter. Whenever we are taking the reading, first of all, we have to standardize the pH meter to initial reading, that is for 0. Now I am taking the sample and putting the electrode in the sample. When we doing this process, at least take the electrode in the water sample for 30 seconds. Now I am setting the mode and checking the reading. Setting the pH meter to setting the mode. Now see, the green light comes from standby mode to pH, and our given sample value, pH value is 7. It means the pH value of this water sample is 7. So here we are concluding that our sample has pH value 7, which is near about neutral. Now I am taking the another sample. So this is HCl. I am adding some drops of HCl with the help of dropper in the water sample. Now again putting the electrode in the sample. Let us pressing the button step mode. Now see, here we again taking the reading. This shows the pH scale value 4. It means it is acidic. So our purpose and objective is complete, that we find the pH value of simple water and pH value of acidic. The pH value of simple water comes 7 and the acidic sample comes 4. Thank you.